fans? Do you have what it takes to win the Smurf Games? You can win medals in 6 different events. Smurf Jump, Smurf Pauline, Smurf and Slide, Basket Smurf, Smurf and Arrows, and the Smurf Sprint. Each medal also unlocks more Smurfs to play with. And when you win all the medals, you unlock me, Hefty Smurf. Are you game? Great! On your mark, get set, go! Basket Smurf, try to net a victory. Basket Smurf, keep an eye on the shot clock, because you gotta get as many points as you can before it runs out. Now let's do this. Bronze medal! Not bad! You made it to the podium. Smurf Jump! Let's hit the slopes. You've unlocked Handy Smurf. Give yourself a hand. Smurf Jump. It's all about balance. Get as much speed. Keep smurfing! You'll get it next time! Smurf Jump! It's all about balance. Get as much speed as you can and soar through the air to make the longest jump. But if you don't tilt to stay balanced, you'll start to drop like a bag of rocks. Good luck! Ooh, that's a fast takeoff! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! You've unlocked Farmer Smurf. You won the bronze. Now let's see how you do going for silver.
Welcome back! There's a new place to play in.
The Smurf and Slide event will test your reflexes. Jump and slide over and under all the obstacles Gargamel has placed on his tabletop. Now let's see how far you can get. Basket Smurf, try to net a victory. You've unlocked Farmer Smurf. He'll plow. again.